Hello, guys. Welcome. Welcome to the official CompTIA ITF Plus training. So, you made a good decision. And this is the moment na mag-inquire kayo, you think about, no, and try to consider, i-mindset niyo sarili niyo, no, actually, the moment you started with this is you already have the interest, di ba? Na to have some qualifications, to gain some knowledge and skills when it comes to IT. And this is the right decision. And this is the right, it's a good start. No, because IT fundamentals is the starting point lalo sa mga hindi lang sa mga IT aspiring ITs but also sa sa mga mag-shift ng career. So here sa module na to, sa training na to, the entire package, it is strongly recommended, no? It is really advisable na for you to earn and gain the knowledge and skills when it comes to IT. And it is the foundation, and that's why tawag dito is IT fundamentals. Ito pinaka-starting ground. And it is recommended to everyone, not only to graduating IT students o mga aspiring IT professionals o mga nag-aral ng degree or courses na related only to technology or IT, but to everyone else. This is a good start. This is a good moment for your no, step one to pursue an IT career. So we are a proud partner of CompTIA. And this opportunity for this training video, we will have this package as your foundation to start with CompTIA ITF Plus. So what is ITF Plus? Now, to get started, no, ito yung the basics of computing, IT infrastructure. You're gonna learn what is software development, no, and then that's also your starting point if you want to pursue somehow related kinds of software development. Then you will be exposed what is a database. We use this every day. Now you've been accessing this every day. Every industry is involved in IT world. And then, mga successful candidates now will be able to demonstrate their knowledge about installing software. I mean, what is the right source when it comes to getting a legit copy of a software? And then to establish a basic network connectivity, you can learn networking sa madalit salita. And most of all, you will learn the basic of security, no, of cybersecurity to identify and prevent the basic security risk. So, in addition to this foundational knowledge, meron ding skills, no, that you will earn in this course to, to learn how to troubleshoot, yung mga troubleshooting procedures, the theory and concepts behind troubleshooting and resolving an issue. And then any individual who want to consider an IT career, this is the right choice. This is the right decision. This is the good start for you to pursue an IT, and then continue nyo sa next level to A plus, mga more advanced, more technical, of course. So just to let you know, probably you already know as well, some of you, no, ang CompTIA is an international organization. Your credibility, your I'm thinking about many words, no? Sabay-sabay, yung badge, no, yung proof of your skills is international. It's global. Regardless kung saang school, anong background, anong experience, once you have an IT certifications, so starting from here, meron kang you are recognized. You have a recognition. And that's a good it's a good thing lalo na sa from us, lalo na sa atin, no? It's a big world out there. Maraming country, it's a big industry and everyone is it's internet of things. Everyone is pursuing, and as you have learned from our webinar, merong palagi may skill shortage, merong gap. And the reason why we're here because of that gap. Because yung advancement ng technology and yung skills, they are not in phase or in synchronized. Kaya merong gap. In-explain ko sa webinar. So if I were you, you attend the webinar and you will learn more about why we had to take this training and then certification. And again, CompTIA is a global company. It's a global organization, and the skills and recognition that you will earn is at global standard. Di ba? And most importantly, ano siya, di ba? Vendor neutral. That's a good thing. When we say vendor neutral, you can handle any device, any IT device coming from another vendor. Kasi kahit anong vendor yan, isa lang foundation yan eh. Isa lang ang concept. No? Yan ang foundation na tinatawag natin. Isa lang concept, kahit sino pang vendor yan, from Microsoft to Cisco to Meraki to Juniper to Aruba to Amazon and Google, they are all under these IT fundamental concepts. So it is really recommended now when you get the training, you earn the skills, then earn the certification, take the exam. Now, going back, focusing to ITF fundamentals, no, ang objective ng course na to is what? Now, ito man matututunan nyo as you pursue this training. You will be able to learn to set up a computer workstation, which most of you already know. Of course, plug and play, but in addition to that, you will understand the concept behind it. You'll be able to expose the components, yung mga basic software applications, and then learn to explain and understand the functions and types of yung devices used in a computer system. Ano ba mga devices that you use in a computer? Mga peripheral devices. And then yung mga interfaces associated with devices. Anong klaseng connection? So, alam natin, USB. So, maraming connections, di ba? And then the good thing here is that we're not only talking about Windows when it comes to software or operating system. May Apple, merong Android, may Google. Lahat yun ma-cover dito sa course na to. And then as you move on with the entire training, yung basic computer maintenance, and then yung support, yung technical support, how to get support, how to render the support. Those are the things na you will be introduced with this course. And then aside from understanding operating systems so software applications, yung other may iba pang coverage dito yung tinatawag na database development. So you will learn what is a database, what are the functions of database, ano yung mga model of a database development, and the principles of other software. Ano sa ba ginagamit ito? Ano bang concept nito? How in development niya, ng software development, what are the concepts behind it, no? And different programming languages that are used in software or application development. The good thing about this course as well, when we say computing devices, when we say computers, it includes mobile devices. And it is true, and you are aware of this, diba? Yung mga mobile devices natin, those are computers pa rin. So it applies to the same IT foundations, IT fundamentals when it comes to the software that runs on your computer. iOS ba yan? Android OS ba yan? Or yung the hardware, di ba? When you've heard this, anong processor ng smartphone mo, ng tablet mo, ano bang memory niyan, ano yan, storage capacity. Those are computer terminologies. Those are computer and IT technologies, even on a standard computer. The good thing also, as I've said, is yung yung learning curve. In the introduction, you will be introduced to cybersecurity. You will learn the security issues, the security concepts, and mitigating securities and threats when it comes to computers and networks. So think about that, guys. And most of all, this is a free training. And this is a free training. So it's all up to you. And you will learn, you will gain the knowledge and skills. All you have to do is get certified and prove them na I have learned from here. I have learned from this training video, di ba? Now, when we speak about exams, di ba? Remember, the code for IT fundamentals is FC0-U61. Yan ang exam code ng ITF Plus. And then, as you maybe already know, it has 75 questions. It has 75 questions for each exam, and you have to answer that in 60 minutes. So you have more than a minute for each questions, but don't panic, guys. Once you have this training, once you have followed my instructions, the entire training, what to do, you'll be fine. No, don't be intimidated with the passing score. No, on a scale of 100 to 900. Actually, 650 is a very, ang tawag doon, considerate passing score. So, 'di ba? You learn and then you get certified. It's a good you will get the I'm eating my words, na you will get also the badge and then the logo that you can attach with your resume. Now, going back to exam format, 'di ba? The domain here, ito yung ding coverage ng training. So, just to remember, ang exam, the domain coverage, yung IT concepts and terminologies, ito yung mga fundamental, naming convention, and then the basic terminologies when it comes to IT. And then infrastructure. This is about IT, system itself, the infrastructure itself, from networking to devices to internet, no? So, and then when it comes to software, kasama dyan yung applications and software, you will learn all of this. And when it comes to exam, that is 18%. And mas malaki ang coverage ng infrastructure. Of course, it makes sense because you gotta learn how IT system works. Ano ang framework ng IT? And then, ano yung mga major components or architecture ng IT infrastructure? So, very crucial yan in practicing IT, in understanding IT, in IT systems, no? And then yung database fundamentals, 11% dyan of the exam. And then yung security, guys, 20%. So expect na out of 75 questions, 20% of that is security related, 22% is infrastructure. The same applies, no? The same applies to those in percent of exam. So just remember, these are that you need to keep in your to focus in your mind, if you're planning to take the exam. Actually, it is recommended. You studied anyway, you get the training anyway. We will issue a completion of attendance. I mean, not just attendance, certificate of completions, no? At the end of this, if you completed this training. So meron ka ng certificate of completion, meron ka ng knowledge and skills that you earned, and then all you need to do is certify yourself. That's all. And then, welcome to the world of IT. Ang ganda niya sa resume niya, may certification. Nalabanan ngayon eh. Lalo na sa IT world. And then, it will be a question. Nag-training ka na, may completion ka. So, what's stopping you for taking the certification? Everybody in the world of IT has certifications. Hinahanap yan. Kasi in my webinar, sinasabi ko ang significance, no? And then yung importance when it comes to certification. All right, guys? So for the entire training, all you have to do is, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video training. Guys, this is a good decision. Have fun and see you the entire course. All right, guys? Good luck. See you.